How to remove email-like suggestion on TikTok. Here's how. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Likewise, head over to your TikTok profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, click on the three lines menu at the upper right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Content Preferences. From here, choose Manage Topic. Here you will see a list of topics with a slider. Now simply move the slider to the right if you want to see more of that topic, or slide it to the left if you want to see less. Now repeat this process for all of the options. Once happy with your selection, hit save. After that, go back and select notification. Now scroll down until you find the personalized post suggestion section and turn all the toggles off. This helps prevent TikTok from recommending posts based on your behavior. After that, return to the settings and tap the Activity Center. Here choose Search History. Then click on Select. Moreover, choose Select All Search History at the bottom and hit Delete. Lastly, confirm your action when the confirmation message appears. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful.